everyone, welcome to The Talk Show. This is Marvin Olaez, together with our very special guest co-host for today.
Hi guys! Hello partner! My name is Mariel Janice Matibag.
For this episode of The Talk Show, we are here to remind you to take care of yourself.
Palakasin ang resistensya para protektahan sa mga sakit dulot ng pabago-bagong panahon.
Partner, ano nga ba yung mga measures na pwede natin gawin to stay healthy at para maiwasan ang mga sakit? Ito kasi nanonood sa atin, pasaway ito eh.
The key is to maintain a strong immune system. One way to do this is by ensuring we get the right amount of nutrients and minerals, especially zinc.
That's right, partner. Alam mo ba na mahalaga ang zinc pagdating sa promotion ng wound healing at pag-boost ng immune response ng ating katawan laban sa infections?
Exactly, partner. In fact, studies show that the zinc helps reduce the symptoms and duration of colds. Unfortunately, our bodies do not produce zinc naturally, kaya kailangan natin ng zinc-rich food and zinc supplements.
If you have zinc deficiency or at risk, contact your doctor for professional advice on how to incorporate it in your diet or know what supplements to take.
Your dietitian may suggest more red meat, poultry, seafood, and nuts.
For supplements naman, your doctor may prescribe over-the-counter supplements like Immune Pro o kaya Conzace na nakakatulong magpalakas ng resistensya. Galing sa Unilab. Personally, okay talaga sa akin itong Immune Pro. In fact, araw-araw ko siyang tinatake.
Partner, idagdag mo na rin dyan ang Solmong Advance that help resolve cough with phlegm relief and help boost immunity. Syempre galing na rin yan sa Unilab.
And that's it for today. Laging tandaan, mahalaga ka at deserve mo ang alaga. Muli po ako po si Marvin Olaez.
At ako naman po si Mariel Janice.
See you again in the next episode of The Talk Show.